Click on the link below to get price. The 18,000W vertical wind turbine generator kit presents itself as a robust option for those interested in harnessing wind energy. Designed with a 3-blade Helix configuration, this turbine aims to offer efficiency and reliability for a variety of settings, whether for personal use or larger-scale applications. At first glance, the vertical design of the turbine is notable. Unlike traditional horizontal-axis wind turbines, the vertical design allows for operation in turbulent wind conditions. This can be particularly advantageous in urban environments or areas where wind patterns are unpredictable, as the turbine can capture wind from multiple directions. This feature may contribute to a more consistent energy output, an important consideration for those looking to depend on wind energy as a primary source of power. In terms of specifications, this turbine boasts a significant power generation capacity of 18,000 watts, which can be quite substantial for a range of energy needs. Its 24V charge output aligns with standard battery systems, making it a suitable choice for off-grid living or supplementing home energy consumption. The inclusion of a charge controller could further enhance its utility by ensuring the safe and efficient storage of energy generated. The installation process for the turbine is straightforward, although it does require a suitable mounting structure and adequate space to ensure optimal performance. Users will find that the kit includes necessary components to facilitate setup, although additional tools may be needed depending on the specific installation requirements. As with any renewable energy system, it is advisable to assess local wind conditions and regulations prior to installation. When in operation, the turbine's sound levels are generally low, which can be an important consideration for those who are sensitive to noise. The 3-blade design is intended to strike a balance between performance and quiet operation, contributing to its appeal in residential settings. In conclusion, the 18,000W vertical wind turbine generator kit stands out due to its unique design and substantial energy potential. With its ability to adapt to varying wind conditions and the possibility of integration with existing energy systems, it presents a thoughtful option for individuals or communities looking to embrace renewable energy sources. As with any energy project, potential users should conduct thorough research to ensure compatibility with their specific needs and circumstances.